Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
Divorce and immigration. Navigating contested and uncontested divorce when one spouse is undocumented in New York. Divorce is rarely easy, and when immigration status enters the picture, it becomes even more complex. In New York State, divorces fall into two broad categories, contested and uncontested. But when one spouse is undocumented, legal concerns go beyond typical disputes, touching on issues of fear, immigration status, financial vulnerability, and parental rights. Contested versus uncontested divorce in New York State. An uncontested divorce occurs when both spouses agree on all major issues, including child custody, property division, and spousal support. These cases are usually faster, less expensive, and require minimal court involvement. A contested divorce, by contrast, arises when spouses disagree on one or more key matters. These cases often involve court hearings, legal discovery, and potentially a trial to resolve disputes over child custody or visitation, equitable distribution of assets, alimony, or spousal support. For undocumented spouses, either path presents unique legal challenges that must be handled with care. Legal concerns for undocumented spouses in Divorce 1. Service of process and court appearances. Undocumented spouses may fear attending court or being served with divorce papers, believing it could expose them to immigration enforcement. In practice, family and divorce courts do not report parties to ICE, but legal representation is essential to ensure proper procedure and protection. 2. Immigration status and green card applications. If the marriage was the basis for a pending green card or adjustment of status application, a divorce may jeopardize the process. However, if the marriage was abusive, the undocumented spouse may be eligible to self-petition under VAWA, Violence Against Women Act, without their spouse's cooperation. 3. Equitable distribution without formal proof. In New York, assets acquired during the marriage are divided equitably, not always equally. If the undocumented spouse worked off the books or contributed to a family business without documentation, proving their contribution may be challenging but not impossible. An attorney can help gather supporting evidence. 4. Child custody and deportation risks. Undocumented parents have custody rights, but deportation risks can complicate visitation or long-term parenting plans. It is essential to develop legally sound guardianship and custody agreements to protect the child's well-being. 5. Public benefits, housing, and spousal support. Undocumented spouses may lack access to stable housing or lawful employment, making them more financially vulnerable. Spousal support, alimony, may be critical and is available regardless of immigration status. The importance of legal representation. Divorce involving an undocumented spouse touches on immigration, family, and financial law. The stakes are high, and the consequences, especially around custody or immigration status, can be life-changing. If abuse is involved, VAWA protections must be immediately explored. At Figueroa and Associates, located at 26 Court Street, Suite 701, downtown Brooklyn, our experienced team helps clients navigate divorce while safeguarding their immigration status and parental rights. Call 855-768-8845. Visit askthelawyer.us. Protect your future. Know your rights. You don't have to face this alone.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, ask the lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.